Hello kids! Welcome to Smart Alim channel. Today we will learn about sit down, stand up, jump, walk, run. Repeat after me. Sit down, stand up, jump, walk, run. Hello, I'm accompanied by. What's your name? Alim. Repeat after me, Alim. Repeat after me. Sit down.
Down.
Stand up.
Stand up.
Walk.
Walk.
Jump.
Jump.
Run.
Run.
Let's apply to the sentence. I sit down. I stand up. I jump. I walk. I run. Yay! Now let's do together. I sit down. I stand up. I sit down. I stand up. I jump. I jump. I walk. I walk. I run. I run. I sit down.
Sit down.
I stand up.
Stand up.
I jump.
I jump. I jump. I jump. I jump.
I walk. I run.
I run.
Okay, thank you very much for your attention. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. See you next time.